Go nowhere. Let's create. Whole cakes. Whole cakes. And this one is not going to be the traditional southern one, which is some slight difference when I made those ones. And I've been living in the South for many, many, many years. Almost as many years, probably longer, that I have lived overseas or in Puerto Rico, where I was born and raised. So, whole cakes. And today's President Day, and George Washington, the first president, he used to enjoy whole cakes. So I'm going to prepare this one on his honor. So he lived in Virginia. I live in Virginia. He was born in Virginia, I should say. So visit his place a few times where he was born. So it's an easy recipe, and I'm going to try to keep it traditional. All you need is a couple cups of um, cornmeal, couple cups of cornmeal, an egg or two, buttermilk, 1 cup for now. We'll see how it turns. Um, if you want, you can have a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar on the side. And you're going to need butter, unsalted preferably. And clearly, I'm going to go with honey. Now, if I was doing southern, then it's a mix of cornmeal and all-purpose flour, and then you use regular syrup, and maybe you can put a couple of things there, in addition to that, like corn and okra, whatever. But this is very simple, so let's get started. Very simple. Cornmeal, the 2 cups. Buttermilk, the cup. And I like to kind of mix it up around. Let's go with an egg for now. Mix it up. Actually, let's put 2 eggs. Let's do 2 eggs. And you're going to mix this up until you get a good texture, okay? I actually put another quarter of a cup for the milk. I didn't want it to dry. And you know what you do now? You can put a little bit of salt, optional, just a tiny bit, and some sugar. Mix it up well. See the texture? See? How it goes through? See. So I'm using a cast iron. This cast iron is from like 1938, so it's an old one, nice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of butter. Let me start with 1 first. If I need more, I will know. And I'm going to heat this baby up. Once again, my mix doesn't have, like the baking powder and all-purpose flour, because I'm not doing the Southern style. What I'm doing here is like the 1700s, George Washington era style. Let me make sure the stuff is well distributed. Throw this in. Actually, let me put more. Make sure this butter is melt. I have this couple notches above medium. What I'm going to do, I'm going to scoop these babies. I'm not going to make them pretty, I'm just going to make it old school. Let's put 3 for now. Just make it medium high. And let me cook one side for about maybe 2 minutes, okay? Then I flip them and I do the same on the other side. About 2 minutes later, flip them. See how beautiful they look? And let the other side cook for a couple of minutes, okay?